In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Helpdesk ticket system web app with Google Sheets. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Google Sheets file for the Helpdesk ticket tracker. This spreadsheet is the foundation of the system, so it is important to start in the right place and confirm you are working in the correct document. Take a moment to let the sheet load fully, especially if it contains formulas, drop-downs, or formatting rules that support your ticket workflow. Once you are in the tracker sheet, click on the highlighted area shown in your setup. This is typically a cell, a tab, or a specific section of the sheet that connects to the rest of the system. Clicking it helps you confirm you are focused on the right part of the tracker before moving to the web app side. If you have multiple tabs, make sure you are not editing an old version or a copy of the file, because that can break the connection later. Next, switch over to the admin area of your web app builder in a separate browser tab. Click on the highlighted option to open the correct project overview. This step is where you move from storing ticket data in Sheets to configuring the interface and logic that will generate your Helpdesk experience. From the project overview, go to Template Fields and Sections. This is the part where you define what information a ticket should capture, such as the requester details, issue description, category, and status. The goal is to match your form fields to the structure of your Google Sheet so every submission lands in the right place. Work carefully here because consistent field names and clear sections make the system easier to manage later. After that, click Generate. This is the action that creates or updates the output based on your current template configuration. Let the generation process complete before navigating away so changes are properly applied. Finally, click Template Settings. This is where you review and adjust the overall configuration for the template, including how it behaves when generating the final result. Move slowly and confirm the settings align with your intended workflow. Since small differences here can affect how tickets are produced and organized, that covers everything you need to know.